Hey guys, it's Pam with Britland Services, and today we're going to focus on cleaning glass and mirrors. What are the tips and tricks to doing that effectively and professionally? So we have professional products that we use that we actually buy from a janitorial supply company that you may not have access to, and that's okay. You can use a little bit of Windex or just vinegar and water mixture. The key to any cleaner, whether it's the commercial ones, the Windex, or the vinegar water mixture, is just to use a little bit. If you saturate this table with a product and you just spray and spray and spray and spray and spray, you're going to have to wipe and wipe and wipe and wipe and wipe to get all of that up and keep it from streaking. And it's going to take more towels and more time and more attention. And it's really not going to get that much cleaner, if any. And as a matter of fact, it might streak if you do that. So here's what I would recommend. Whether you're using, again, the Windex, the commercial cleaners like we use, Sprayway is another good one, or even better is a slightly dampened cloth with plain old tap water. We just slightly dampen it. So again, you don't want to oversaturate it. This is not a soaking wet cloth. It's dry on this side. It's just got a little moisture on this side. And so as I wipe my table, I'm going to go back and forth, because if I go in circles and I end up with a square table, more than likely I'm going to miss a spot somewhere in there. But if I go back and forth, kind of in a figure eight or S pattern, as I clean, and don't forget to wipe the underneath side from any fingerprints that might have gotten there. And then I can take a clean, dry microfiber towel. And by the way, you never want to wash microfiber with fabric softeners or dryer sheets, because it will plug the holes and reduce their effectiveness. So once I have my dry microfiber cloth with a little bit of, like if I've used the water or the Windex or something else, then I come back and dry it. So the secret to streak-free glass and mirrors is not to oversaturate your surface with product or water. Use a clean, dry microfiber cloth that has not been washed with fabric softener or dryer sheets, and then dry in that figure eight pattern until it is dry. You can't leave it wet at all or it will streak. So that's our helpful tip for today. Look forward to seeing you soon with our next tips. Thanks again for joining, and have a great evening.